What if I told you that products in the bottle make up, let's give them credit, 40% of your overall skin care, skin health, skin improvement, 40%. And the other 60 is diet, eating habits, sacrifice, fasting, detoxing. And it's just eating habits altogether, lifestyle changes. If I told you that 60% is lifestyle changes and the other 40 is what you can buy in a bottle to like prolong aging. But if you did the lifestyle changes, you would be slowly eliminating products. Tell me how I know this. I've done the studies. I've watched myself, and I have videos on this on my channel that I can refer back to. So this is how long I've been talking about this, that sugar is the enemy. This is just what it is. Sugar is the overall enemy. Sugar is the reason why 99.9% of Americans or people in general worldwide are going to have issues with their skin for the rest of their days until they, get old enough, because I think it comes with age, to realize that, oh, something is going on, something is working against us. And so it's sugar. How many people do you know are dealing with something and it's because of sugar? Just sit and think. How many people do you know? Whether they're having skin issues, weight loss issues, insulin, diet, or diabetes issues, hypertension. How many people do you know that are addicted to some sort of sugar, whether it's a beverage or a drink or a coffee or a pastry or a cookie or something? We have a epidemic, and the epidemic to date is sugar. It's sugar. It is detrimental, and we can't see it because they have fed it to us in so many varieties of things, and we're now addicted to it. And I'm not perfect. I'm fighting that addiction as well, but I'm way more aware and I'm way more knowledgeable. And I know if I go in the store and I want something, I can go to the fruit aisle. But then when you go in the fruit aisle, don't be fooled. All the fruit aren't fruit. So you have to look for certain skewers or numbers or reef organic, or it's just so much that goes into what we could be doing to like have better long lives like our parents did, or your grandparents, my parents mainly. But we are so like caught up in our ways, and then we want all these skincare goals and glass skin goals and all of these goals with no amount of sacrifice. And my thing is, how can we ask, God for things and we're not willing to give up anything? That's where this conversation leads. Like, what is our sacrifice for all our asking and praying? Like, what have we given up? We fast for a day or two. We pray for a day or two. It's all lovely, right? All lovely. No, if you want good skin, and I'm only talking about skin because that's my industry. It's what I know about, what I'm trained about. I'm not a nutritionist. So I decided to add in a few things that I crave, that I enjoy. I look for, the numbers on the product. I make sure that it's all organic. It is a little bit more to buy it that way, but I'm just moving in the, frame of caution first. So here I'm making a spinach, banana, strawberry smoothie. I don't add any milk or dairy products. I use coconut water, or I'll just use bottled water. The fruit has so much potassium in it. Like a banana is nothing but milk itself. So you don't need to add dairy to your smoothies. So if you like to go have your smoothies made, you can just tell them to add coconut water or just plain water. I add ice, and then here I'm adding my collagen powder, which is milky, and this one has peptides. It's a super collagen. Definitely in my field, if anyone tells you it doesn't work, don't believe them. I've been taking collagen for over 10 years, and that's why I haven't had any work done. My skin is firm and supple as it needs to be. So once I add my collagen powder, I'll close this up and add ice. Yes, I did add ice because I do like it to be cold. My smoothies, I like them cold. And sometimes they're just not as pretty as you would want. It just depends what you add more of. But because the banana is high in sugar and the strawberries are bitter but still has sugar, I didn't want to add too many strawberries with the amount of bananas, and I added way more spinach. So it's not going to come out pretty, and it's not always about the aesthetic of things. Sometimes it's about, is this good for me? This was back in January or February when I shot these clips, and since then I haven't had a smoothie in over a month. But it is April 1st today, and I'm getting back on my Zoom, and I'm going to be making smoothies, eating apples, fruits, pineapples, and when I tell you they come out no matter what they look like, they come out so good. So this green one here was mixed with spinach and pineapple, and it was more on the green side because I had more greens, less fruit. Like I said, fruit has sugar too, but it's a natural sugar. So you won't have those same side effects and flare-ups that you would from eating artificial sugar. So if you do have a craving, it does take time. I'm a stay-at-home mom at this time, so I have a little more time. I know when you're working, you're busy, it's hard. I do drink lemon water. It's way more alkaline. I drink sparkling water as well, and I'll mix in some juice, but the juice I mix in has no added sugar. And yeah, this is what I do. When I stick to a regimen, my skin is flawless. I did fall off, but I'm going to be starting a new series on my channel, and it'll be very much high in skincare and hair. So the hair content still will be coming, but skincare, because that's my passion, that's my love. And like I said, when I stick to my regimen, the results are amazing. So cut out added artificial sugar, and I promise you your skin will glow. I did this video because I was feeling it in the moment, and I want to do more videos like this. So guys, I'm hoping that you enjoyed this video.